So we're gonna go check out. No, we're not gonna go check out. We're gonna go work on the Jeep. We have a couple hours before we hit the road, and so we're gonna go see how much we can get done. We just got the Jeep back from where it was getting the lift and everything else put on it, and now it's our part. So yeah, join us, guys.
Okay, you got Allen sets. Once you install this, you get it on the brackets. It feels really solid. It feels more solid than I thought it would. I expected to feel a little more wobble with the wind and whatnot, but it feels good. The mattress is pretty comfortable. Once you get the ladder figured out, it's a little bit tricky just to set it properly so that it's stable. Once you get that figured out, you open this bad boy up. There's like several holes that open up, kind of these awnings over the openings and over the windows. There's a light fixture in here. This is called a snow pole, just in case you've got stuff on the top of this. You can actually extend that out and keep stuff from accumulating. Blacked out on the inside, so once you close everything up for the night, you're gonna be completely dark in here. The only thing I would say is the back of this, that metal piece, it's gonna get warm during the day. I mean, it's only like 65 outside right now, and it feels pretty warm in here already. So, you know, if you got the sun beating down on that, you're probably not gonna wanna hang out in here. But other than that, the setup is really fast. These hard tops, I mean, they just fold open and fold closed, and that's pretty much it. So, pretty cool.
So the tent pretty cool. Everything, the setup, everything's easy. I just needed help getting it up there. We did, strip a nut and a bolt that, I sent one of my guys to go get it. But otherwise, everything's easy setup. A little tricky. Well, at first it was a little tricky getting the ladder going, but now that that's set, I just have to figure out a way to keep it on the ground, unless it moves a little bit. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see, but that shouldn't be hard at all. But otherwise, overall, pretty cool. Pretty cool setup. Can't wait to try it out.